Alright, today I got this little red jacket Abus. I don't know the name of that Abus. It is a 4-pin. Could be a Mylock. I'm not sure. I really don't know. I got a small Mylock, but there's Mylock on it. So it could be one. I don't know. See the keyway? Pretty similar. So it could be a Mylock. I'm not sure. Doesn't matter anyway. It is a red Abus. And we are trying to pick it today. So here again, the little key. 4 cuts in it. Let's see what we can do. This little honey here. Right off the bat I can see some spool. No, it's not spool, just looked like it. So let's feel the pins. It's okay. A second. Can I yeah, it looks good. Kinda get stuck in here. Need a smaller pick. Oh. Okay, so let's see. Got a different pick. 15 thousandths of an inch. I believe I got some rotation in the core right now. Very small. I think one is set. Got some slight rotation, counter rotation here, but nothing setting. I dropped a pin. It's a very tight keyway and very tiny lock. So I believe first pin is activate some kind of spool somewhere. And we open. Alright, so there's somewhere a spool. It's very slight rotation. I believe it's what I felt. It's not true, it might not be true, I don't know, but it felt like. So this is a tiny Abus. I believe it's like a 30 mil. Do I have a 30 mil here somewhere? I got a 40 mil. Where's my 40 mil? Oh, God. That's a 40 mil here. So it could be 30 millimeters. I guess it would be. Alright, picked for you this tiny red jacket Abus. I guess it's a Mylock or something like that. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.